Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Wechat account. To do so, you just have to download Wechat on your Android smartphone. And after downloading Wechat, you just have to open it up, making sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. After opening up Wechat, you can see that you are on this type of screen, where you can see a login option on the bottom left side of your screen. Here, if you just click on login, you can see that it will take you to this kind of screen where now you need to enter your mobile number and your password to continue. If you have logged in with other options, click on other login options and you can log into your Wechat account via your email, Wechat ID or your Facebook ID. After selecting the account you are logged into your Wechat with, input your credentials and then click on accept and continue. After that, you'll be able to log in into your Wechat account. And that is how easy it is to log in into your Wechat account from your Android smartphone. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.